Welcome to the best picks. The best shaving brush is probably one of the most overlooked yet transformative tools in any man's grooming arsenal. Today, we delve into the world of shaving brushes and bowls, exploring how the right brush and bowl can elevate your shaving experience from a daily chore to a luxurious ritual, enhancing comfort, closeness, and the overall quality of your shave, leaving your skin feeling smoother and looking healthier than ever before. Number 5. Viking Revolution Shaving Soap. Experience the ultimate shaving experience with our luxurious shaving soap. It's designed to work perfectly with your shaving brush and bowl for an incredibly smooth shave. Each puck is infused with a manly scent that will leave you feeling confident and refreshed. It's the perfect way to elevate your daily routine. This soap creates a rich, creamy lather that will glide effortlessly across your skin. Enjoy the closest, most comfortable shave of your life. One puck of this soap will last you a long time. It's economical and provides consistent performance shave after shave. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. This 4-pack gives you a variety of scents to choose from, so you can find the perfect one for you. Each puck is a generous 2.5 ounces. What we like. It offers a variety of manly scents to enhance your shaving experience. If you are looking for a long-lasting and richly lathering shaving soap, this is the perfect choice for you. This soap will leave your skin feeling refreshed and smelling great, making it ideal for daily use. What people say. The soap puck lathers well when used with almost any shaving brush. It is hard enough to retain repeated use in a scuttle or shaving bowl. They lather like a dream. They lather like I didn't even think was possible, a thick, velvety, smooth, fantastic-smelling dream. I got a very close shave and my skin feels terrific. My face is usually ruddy and bumpy after I shave with other bars, but this one soothed my skin. Number 4. Viking Revolution Shaving Brush. Experience the ultimate shaving experience with our luxurious badger hair shaving brush. It's designed to create the richest, most comfortable shave of your life. Made with 100% natural badger hair, it's incredibly soft yet firm enough to create a rich lather with your favorite shaving cream or soap. The dense bristles gently exfoliate your skin, preparing it for an incredibly close and comfortable shave. Enjoy a warm, luxurious lather. It works perfectly with any razor, safety, double edge, or straight razor, for the best possible shave. It's the key to a superior shave. This brush makes a wonderful gift for the man who appreciates quality and a truly luxurious shaving experience. It's a perfect addition to any man's grooming routine. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This brush creates the perfect lather for a smooth shave. If you're seeking a gentle exfoliation while enjoying a luxurious shave, this brush is for you. Its soft bristles make it a great gift for any man who appreciates a classic wet shave. What people say. Lathers well, and my shave soap goes on smooth. A great shave experience is always the best start to my day. This boar-bristled lather brush is soft and looks good. Lathers great. The bristles are nicely shaped and have a good thickness to them. They are immediately soft out of the box and don't smell nearly as bad as many other brushes I've used. It functions as it should and creates a great lather quickly. Number 3. Anbbas Badger Shaving Set. Experience the luxury of traditional wet shaving with this exquisite set. It's the perfect gift for the discerning gentleman in your life. Each brush is meticulously handcrafted, undergoing 25 steps to ensure superior quality. The pure badger hair is soft, yet firm, and beautifully shaped. Enjoy the luxurious feel of the badger hair against your skin. It's incredibly absorbent and retains heat, creating the perfect lather every time. It works wonderfully with all shaving soaps, foams, gels, and creams. Create a rich, glossy lather for a smooth, comfortable shave. This complete set makes a thoughtful and sophisticated gift for Father's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for any wet shaving enthusiast. To ensure its longevity, rinse it thoroughly after each use, shake out excess water, and hang it to dry. Proper care will keep it in top condition for years to come. The set includes everything you need for a perfect shave: a luxurious shaving brush, 100 g of goat milk shaving soap, a convenient shaving stand, and a double-layered shaving bowl. What we like. This set includes everything you need for a traditional wet shave. If you are looking for a complete shaving kit with high-quality materials, this is an excellent option. It makes a thoughtful and practical gift for any man who enjoys a luxurious shaving experience. What people say. I really like the shave I get. I think the soap is better to shave with than shaving cream or foam I have used in the past. The bristles are soft, and the small handle fits my hand really well. The brush is the standout part of this kit. It is made with real hair and it has held up very nicely in the month since I purchased it. I also like the stand and the soap cup. The brush is comfortable, easy to clean and maintain. Number 2. Viking Revolution Razor Kit. This holiday season, give the gift of a luxurious shave. Our Viking Revolution Kit is the perfect present for any man in your life. It has everything you need for the perfect shave. Everything is included for a truly luxurious experience. This kit boasts top-quality materials and craftsmanship. You'll feel the difference from the very first shave. Experience a smooth, comfortable shave every time. It's designed for ease of use and exceptional results. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. The kit includes a razor, stand, brush, bowl, shaving soap, pre-shave oil, and aftershave balm. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a perfect shave, all in one convenient package. If you value convenience and high-quality shaving products, this kit is perfect for you. It's also an ideal gift for any man who appreciates a luxurious and complete shaving experience. What people say. Everything in the kit is of decent quality. The pre-shave oil and aftershave balm are really nice and smell good. The razor itself has a decent weight and is comfortable to hold and use. The 10-pack of razors is good. The bowl is good and helps make a good thick lather. The stand for the razor and brush is a nice touch. This whole kit is super convenient for the price. Everything included is very solid: the razor, stand, soap, pre-shave oil, post-shave balm. Very high quality and it holds the blade nice and secure. The blades for this are cheap and give a nice close shave without irritation. Number 1. Anbbas Badger Shaving Set. Experience the luxury of traditional wet shaving with our exquisite shaving set. It's the perfect blend of craftsmanship and performance, designed to elevate your daily grooming ritual. Each brush is meticulously handcrafted, undergoing 25 steps to ensure superior quality. The pure badger hair is soft, yet firm, guaranteeing a luxurious shave. Its silky, water-absorbing badger hair creates a rich, creamy lather with any shaving soap, cream, or gel. Enjoy a smooth, comfortable shave every time. This set makes a thoughtful and luxurious gift for any man who appreciates the finer things in life. Show your appreciation with this timeless classic. To ensure its longevity, rinse it thoroughly after each use, gently shake out excess water, and allow it to air dry. Proper care will keep it looking and feeling its best for years to come. The set includes a stylish shaving stand to keep your brush perfectly organized and a shaving bowl for effortless lather creation. It's everything you need for a superior shave. What we like. This brush is handcrafted with high-quality materials and is built to last. If you appreciate a durable and easy-to-clean shaving brush, this is the one for you. The included stand keeps your brush organized and ready for your next shave. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.